have a Onan 30EK generator. It's having rough starts. Takes quite a while to start up, and then after about 5 minutes of running, it shuts down and the fault indicator light comes on. Once you reset it, let it run again, it's usually fine. I recently took over managing this at my side job, and it had some issues, but we're getting them corrected. But I want everyone to see this hard start, see what they think. I just looked at the points and they are green, so I'm going to clean them up and see if it helps any, and put a new oil filter on it and change the oil. I don't know when the last time that was done. And I'm going to check the spark plugs and probably replace the spark plugs, see if that helps any. But there's gas line coming in, electronic shut off, and the regulator and into the carburetor. So I'm going to go ahead and start this up and let y'all see it. And to mention, once it's warm, when it's a warm start, it will start right up. I'm not sure if it's warm enough to start right up now, but we'll give it a shot.